Are you an EFL teacher looking for a new and innovative way to support your students' language learning? Look no further. In this video, I'll introduce you to ChatGPT, a powerful tool that can help you generate authentic language materials, customize and supplement existing materials, create conversation prompts, help you with providing recommendations to students, and lots more. So, join me to learn more and discover the ways that ChatGPT can help elevate your EFL teaching and take your students' language skills to the next level. ChatGPT promises to revolutionize the teaching of language learning, enabling you to finally get the real-world support and guidance you need to bolster students' success. So, what is ChatGPT and how does it work? To understand how it works, we need to look at the heart of ChatGPT. Fundamentally, this technology is based on an artificial intelligence-powered language model known as GPT-3, which OpenAI developed. Essentially, we are talking about an AI tool that uses natural language processing techniques to respond to user-generated prompts. Put simply, you ask ChatGPT a question and it replies using natural language. Now, let's discover how to integrate this powerful tool into your teaching strategies. The first way to use ChatGPT could be to create customized materials for specific students or groups. To customize materials, you just input details about your students into ChatGPT, such as their language level, interests, or goals, and then you ask your question. Then the AI will generate materials tailored to this information. Let's see it in action. Suppose you have a student of an intermediate level of English. The problem is that you have trouble motivating them. But you know that this student is really into tennis. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a reading passage about tennis, matching the student's level. It only takes a few seconds for an answer to appear. You can also ask the AI to create questions based on this passage. Using ChatGPT to generate personalized reading material about a topic the student is passionate about can be an exciting way to increase their motivation and understanding. Imagine being able to tailor the content to the students' interests and needs and seeing them become more engaged and motivated as a result. It's a powerful tool that can make a real difference in their learning journey. One of the critical ways that ChatGPT can support EFL teaching is by helping you supplement traditional materials. With the help of the AI, you can generate outlines or templates for lesson plans, as well as assessment items, or supplement traditional materials by developing additional exercises or activities based on a text. All you have to do is input information about the topic or language goals you're working on, and ChatGPT will generate materials tailored to these goals. For example, you could input information about a particular topic or grammatical phenomenon, and ChatGPT could generate additional exercises, activities, or even tests. Check this out. I requested the AI to create a lesson plan about the present continuous tense. The results were satisfactory, but I would like to use a specific learning approach. So, I asked the AI to adjust its response, including this particular learning approach I'm interested about. See how the AI refined the results it initially provided. Besides, let's suppose you're working on a unit about traveling. Your textbook includes a dialogue about booking a hotel room, but you want to provide your students with more practice on this topic. Using ChatGPT, you could generate additional conversations or exercises that focus on different aspects of booking a hotel room, such as negotiating room rates or requesting extra conveniences. This can help students get more practice with the language and the concepts they are learning and can make the lesson more engaging, dynamic, and interesting. Vocabulary is an essential aspect of language learning, and ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for helping students practice and expand their vocabulary. You may use ChatGPT to create custom vocabulary exercises for your students. This could involve inputting specific words or phrases and then generating practice sentences or paragraphs for your students to work on. Imagine teaching the words dog, cat, tree, and house to your students. With ChatGPT, you can ask the tool to generate a paragraph using these words. That's not all. You can even request from the AI to change its tone to a humorous one, bringing a touch of excitement and levity to your lessons. The potentials for ChatGPT to enhance your teaching is enormous, and the possibilities are endless. Just ask the right questions and you will be amazed by the results. As an EFL teacher, you know that effective essay writing is an essential skill for your students to master. As a language model, ChatGPT can assist you in evaluating essays and providing feedback on any mistakes or areas for improvement. Using ChatGPT to review essays, you can save time and effort while still providing your students with valuable feedback on their writing. You can also ask the AI to propose alternative phrasing and vocabulary to help your students express their ideas more clearly and effectively. By the way, if you want to know more about writing effective essays, make sure to check the link on your screen. There, you can find lots of explanatory videos for various types of essays for your students. Let's suppose a student has sent you their essay in digital format, but unfortunately you are out of time to correct it thoroughly. So, you can ask ChatGPT to correct it for you and highlight any mistakes the student has made. Not only that, but you can also request the AI to offer you some guidance and tips on how the student can improve this essay. That's amazing and time-saving. ChatGPT can also be used to generate ideas about teaching approaches to some topics. Think of it as suggestions for teaching techniques or strategies that might be effective for a particular topic or language goal. Are you feeling stuck for ideas for your Halloween activities? No problem. Let ChatGPT be your go-to source for inspiration. Simply ask the AI for ideas and suggestions and watch as it provides you with lesson plans and ideas for engaging activities. Let's now see the steps you need to follow to register to ChatGPT and start asking your own questions. Initially, you have to go to the ChatGPT website and sign up for an account. Once you have created an account and logged in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface. To generate language materials or conversation prompts, type your desired prompt or input it into the text box at the top of the screen. Next, click the Generate button to generate text based on your input. ChatGPT will generate a response or material similar to the input you provided. If you want to customize materials for specific students or groups, you can ask to give you specific information about the student or group. Just keep chatting with the AI and you'll be amazed. In this video, I shared some ideas on how ChatGPT can be used to enhance EFL teaching. Keep in mind that I am not an EFL teacher, but rather an educational technologist. The power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to provide personalized responses based on specific user prompts. As an EFL teacher, you are the expert on your students' needs and goals, so you're well equipped to come up with targeted questions for ChatGPT that will lead to even more effective and efficient answers for your teaching needs. Don't hesitate to experiment with the tool and see how it can support your teaching and your students' language learning. In any case, I believe that as an EFL teacher, you no longer have to worry about the complexities of language learning. With ChatGPT, you have a powerful and game-changing resource to provide personalized instruction, engage students with creative activities, and get valuable insights into students' progress. You will surely reap significant benefits by taking advantage of what this platform offers. But, as I said, this is just my personal opinion. Do you think that ChatGPT will alter how educators teach from now on? How do you plan to use ChatGPT in your own classes? Are there any ways other than those mentioned in the video ChatGPT can impact language learning? Let us know in the comments down below. If you liked this video, please share it with others and even consider subscribing to our channel. It helps a lot. See you next time.